That's what's up. We have a brand new controller. The REV5 is here. Let's check it out. What's going on? It's your boy DJ TLM. Welcome to DJ TLM TV. Right here, I have the brand new Pioneer REV5. Yes, the 5. If you see my channel before, you know the REV7 is my all-time favorite controller. That is a motorized controller. This is not, but I still like it a lot because of that REV layout. The way they lay out the REV controllers really feels like my usual setups, with an S-style scratch mixer in the middle and 2 players. In this case, not motorized, but they are full-size jog wheels, same as on the CDJ-2000 Nexus 2. Now, I don't have a lot of time with this controller, but let's take a look at it right now.
Okay, so let's take a look at the back of the unit, see what we're dealing with when it comes to the in and outputs. You have a master out, and that's a balanced XLR output, but you also get an RCA master output. There's a separate booth output and dual USB-C inputs. You have an auxiliary input, you have 2 mic inputs, and you have a USB-C port for power. Now, if we switch the unit to the other side on the front, we have some controls. You have your EQ and volume for your microphones. You have a fader curve knob and a hamster switch, meaning that you can reverse your crossfader, not the line faders, just the crossfader. You have your headphone input, and that is a dual input as we see on most devices nowadays, and you can adjust your level for your headphones, and you have your auxiliary volume control. What we saw with the Cross 12, we see with the REV5 as well. This unit is made out the box to work with Rekordbox and Serato. It's a 2-channel controller, but you do have the option to also control deck 3 and 4. And what stands out to me the most is the fact that the REV5 has dedicated stems controls, and that is something we're going to see on more and more devices. If you've seen me before, you know that feeling is very important to me. Sometimes it's even more important than the functionality of a device. In this case, I have to say that the functionality and feeling put this controller at the top of my non-motorized controller list, and I would pick the REV5 over the Flex 10. I know that's not going to be the same for a lot of you, and I totally understand why, but for my preferred way of playing, my workflow, nothing is going to beat the layout on this controller. This is the way I play, so I would choose this if I had to choose a non-motorized controller. There's one part of the stems that I did not get to test. Unfortunately, I saw that after the unit already went away again, and that is the fact that you can use your EQ knobs to control the volume of your separate stems. Now, I need this unit back as soon as possible to try this out, because this means that I could turn up the drums of a song. Some songs might have drums that are not loud enough for me, and I could turn up just the drums or turn up just the vocal. That sounds incredible. I have to try that out ASAP. Now, there's also 2 features on this device that I did not actually test at all. The auto BPM transition. There's also another mode called piano mode. Again, I did not get a chance to test that out, but check Mojax's video. He should have a video up right now as well, and I'm pretty sure he's going to go over every feature. So I direct you towards Mojax for that.
So that's it for my first look at the Pioneer REV7. I really like what they've done here. Again, I'm a huge fan of the whole REV controller layout and the features they added, the stem controls that you have right on the device. It works with Rekordbox and Serato. Feels great, works great. I'm a fan, but again, I want more time to fully test this. So Pioneer, please send this back soon. If you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Make sure you like the video, share the knowledge. If you haven't checked out the DJ TLM TV memberships, make sure you click on that first link in the description so you can see exactly what type of perks I'm offering for all the tiers. We have special member merch, member discounts, and I'm about to add exclusive content as well. So make sure you check that out. Once again, thanks for watching. I'm DJ TLM. See you next time. Peace.